Thus, this will help them in their journey towards certification and towards getting a PAB accredited certification bodies.
So hindi lang siya purely theoretical, meron pang mga sinasite na example na very helpful. So thank you so much, DTI-PAB.
Going back to the benefits, we can cascade the knowledge and experience we have gained and the training to our respective ISO facilitators for refinement of our outputs with the goal of ISO certification.
So it is not only more of the theoretical, but it offers us practical ways on how we can improve and enhance our educational management system.
The initiative of PAB guided the higher learning institution to prepare their respective institution in their quest to such standard.